So I'm going to show you how to join your squares now that you've made them. This is my new square and this is my work. And we're going to join with a slip stitch and a chain between, like this. One chain. I'm speaking
slip
louder
up,
now. Chain one, slip stitch on the top square, chain one, slip stitch on the bottom square, chain one, slip stitch on the top square, and you'll notice that I'm going under both parts of the stitch, slip stitch, chain one, and slip stitch to the bottom square, chain one. So you're really just doing slip stitches with a little chain in between, up and down, zigzagging between them, and that will give you work that looks like this. So it's quite a broad body of work in between the squares. Okay, thanks for watching, good luck!